Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic motorcycles in the world, the Honda CG145. Let's explore why this bike has remained a favorite for decades. The legacy of durability. Since its launch in 1976, the Honda CG125 has been celebrated for its unmatched reliability and simplicity. Built to withstand tough conditions, this bike is a workhorse for riders in urban and rural areas alike. Its durable frame and low-maintenance engine have earned it a reputation as a motorcycle that can run for years with minimal upkeep. Performance and efficiency. The Honda CG125 is powered by a 124cc air-cooled 4-stroke engine. It delivers a smooth and consistent ride, making it ideal for both daily commutes and longer journeys. What sets it apart is its excellent fuel efficiency, often achieving over 40 km/L, making it an economical choice for riders on a budget. Affordable maintenance. One of the standout features of the CG10215 is its affordability when it comes to repairs and spare parts. Thanks to Honda's extensive global network, parts are easily available, and mechanics are well-versed in handling the bike. This ensures that maintenance is hassle-free and cost-effective. Classic yet modern appeal. The Honda CG125 blends classic design with modern elements. Its retro-styled bodywork gives it a timeless look, while updated models include features like improved suspension and enhanced braking systems. This combination appeals to riders who value both style and functionality. Why the CG125 is a global icon. Whether you're a student, a courier, or someone looking for a dependable ride, the Honda CG125 has something to offer. Its balance of affordability, reliability, and performance has made it a global favorite. In many countries, it's not just a bike, it's a cultural symbol. Ouch! That's all for today's deep dive into the legendary Honda CG125. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Zone Pro for more motorcycle insights. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.